All right, let's quickly get our viewers up to speed on what went down in Parliament. The Prime Minister today was supposed to speak where the budget session is concerned. His speech was at 5 p.m., but that speech didn't happen, primarily because the Parliament was adjourned amidst a massive ruckus, chaos and a face-off between the Treasury benches and the opposition MPs. And in midst of all of this, fair bits happened outside the Parliament as well. You had Ravneet Singh Bittu and the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, getting into a verbal duel. Mind you, Ravneet Singh Bittu is from the Congress who went and switched to the BJP.
सदन के अंदर
और किस तरह से भारत के पहले प्रधानमंत्री अय्याशी कर रहे थे.
Another day, another disruption, another washout. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was scheduled to address the Lok Sabha on Wednesday evening. The House was first adjourned till 5 p.m. The Prime Minister was expected to speak when proceedings resumed. But barely a minute after the House reconvened, it was adjourned for the day. No statement, no address, only chaos. The reason was relentless disruptions that brought the House to a standstill. Opposition MPs from the Congress, Trinamool Congress and the Samajwadi Party entered the House armed with posters and slogans. As soon as the chair took position, members rushed into the well. The shouting intensified. Posters stayed aloft. The inevitable followed. The House was adjourned.
डर गए, आने से डर गए सदन में, और उनके रेल मंत्री और निशिकांत जी तो बुलेट ट्रेन की तरह भागे. लड़कियों को निशिकांत जी कई तरह का आरोप भी लगाया.
चलेगा क्या आज प्राइम मिनिस्टर को?
The chaos followed a clear warning. When questioned if the House will be allowed to function, Priyanka Gandhi said, "देखिए क्या होता है."
भैया जी हाउस चलेगा क्या आज प्राइम मिनिस्टर को बोलने का मौका देगा क्या विपक्ष?
आप देखिए क्या होता है.
Hours earlier, a personal flashpoint erupted at Parliament's Makar Dwar. Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu and the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi clashed publicly.
Here is a traitor walking right by. Take a look at your face. That's what it looks like. Hello, brother. My traitor friend.
Bittu struck back sharply, branding Rahul Gandhi and protesting MPs as Desh ke dushman.
ठीक है, उनका मेरे से कोई नाराजगी पर्सनल हो सकती है. मेरे मान मर्यादा के लिए मैं स्पीकर साहब को भी कहूंगा, भी अब अंदर तो थे बाहर भी ये हमें गेटों पे घेर के अब शब्द बातें कर रहे हैं.
राहुल गांधी शर्म करो.
The remarks sparked immediate outrage, drawing sharp reactions from Sikh leaders across the political spectrum. Delhi Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa demanded action against Rahul Gandhi. Soon, the war of words spilled back into the House. A day after Rahul Gandhi cited former Army Chief General M.M. Naramne's memoir in Parliament, the BJP responded with books of its own.
जो मथाई साहब, जो नेहरू साहब के पिए हुआ करते थे.
BJP MP Nishikant Dubey walked into the House holding books detailing alleged Congress scams, including Bofors. The move triggered loud protest from the opposition. Dubey was denied permission by the chair, but he went on.
जिन्होंने अय्याशी, मक्कारी और भ्रष्टाचार से पीड़ित इस कांग्रेस का हाल ये सारे देश को समझना चाहिए.
Papers were torn. Sheets were flung across the House. Torn pages flew back amid rising disorder.
निशिकांत दुबे जी तभी उठते हैं जब सरकार की इजाजत होती है, जब सरकार कहती है कि जाओ हाउस को डिसरप्ट करो. एलओपी को एक किताब जो प्रकाशित है, जो आज आपके सामने भी दिखाई है उन्होंने, कि प्रकाशित किताब है, अमेज़न से खरीदी की गई प्रकाशित किताब है, उससे कोट नहीं करने दे रहे. आप नियम कह रहे हो कि ये नियम का उल्लंघन है. तो अब ये महाराज उठे हैं और ये 6 किताबें सामने दिखा रहे हैं, उनमें से कोट कर रहे हैं, आप कुछ नहीं कह रहे हैं. इनका माइक चला जा रहा है.
So while the nation looks to Parliament for answers on the budget, jobs and inflation, the House remains trapped in confrontation.
Here is a traitor walking right by.
Traitor versus patriot. Book versus book. Slogan versus slogan. A politics once again overwhelms governance. Bureau Report, India Today.